Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and interesting statistics that I will be talking about here. So, when I had the first video last year about how Flash was going to be removed this year, well, a lot of people complain, and mostly, those that play online games and play all sorts of little things that are online. And it was like the end of the world for a lot of people, and there's a lot of things that I think a lot of people didn't understand also. Because I see a lot of websites that some mention and say, well, I won't be able to go there anymore. When in reality, it stopped using Flash a long time ago. And actually, there's this mentality of a lot of people thinking YouTube is a Flash-based video player, which is not at all. YouTube does not use Flash, has not used Flash in a long time to actually have videos online. It's very interesting to see that a lot of people think Flash is still dominant, when in reality it's not. Now, the last nail, the really big nail in the coffin of Flash today, Tuesday, January 19th, 2021, is the removal of Flash totally from the latest version of Google Chrome. So January 12th was the kill switch. Flash content can't work anymore. And today, January 19th, a week later, is Google Chrome, the most popular web browser around, removing Flash from the browser itself. It's gone. On the web, for those that think Flash is dominant, latest survey on the web is that in January of 2021, so this month, only 2.2% of websites around the world still use Flash. 2.2%. That means that if we take the other number, 97.8% of users of websites, do not use Flash at all. So this is interesting because they have, there's the impression that Flash is so dominant, when in reality, you could see that almost nobody uses Flash anymore. And honestly, and I'll say it again, any website that still uses Flash is probably a website you shouldn't go to anymore anyways, because it's obviously not maintained. Almost every website. Somebody in the comments said, oh, well, I won't be able to go to y8.com for the games anymore. Y8.com converted the games into other formats a long time ago. Also, a lot of people did not realize that the browsers in the past few months were not playing Flash unless you forced it to play Flash. And a lot of people didn't even notice, because a lot of the websites, once again, are using other technologies to do the same thing. So only 2.2% of websites are using Flash still. And I guess these are 2.2% of websites that are now useless unless they convert. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.